Police don't arrest person wrongly. Oh, this one I know that harassment matter. Among my people, this boy don't. In fact, I don't know that to say they cry. I know just understand, but the matter sue me. Don't tire me finish. He say they go walk. Where police people come stop her, start they search him bag. I don't know how many times I want to tell you this thing, but it is where. As they search bag, they come tell us say bag they smell. Say he even get Indian hemp inside the bag. And he knows fully well. He know how he live in house. He said nothing like that inside him bag. But you don't know how come police can't find that thing inside. Don't worry, my brother. I go soon tell you how come. Relax. So I beg now. Don't bring a corn aside. For now, when no know wetin dey shele now for first tag Lagos State, I don't bring her. So Biko join me, make we watch the video.
I beg, nothing dey clear. I beg. My sister is sick. She dey hospital. I beg. She get appendix. I beg. 100K don take do. I don settle the game. I only make I go. But I no sack me for work. I dey go work. Nothing dey my bag. I swear. Man, leave me. I beg. I beg. I beg.
Bros, you are asking, you are saying you don't know how the Indian hemp got into your bag. I go tell you. First of all, I be one tell and say you foolish. Oh yeah, sorry, you are not foolish. Maybe na in first time. But in case of next time, police tell you, let me search your bag or what. Even no gree make they put hand inside your bag or your pocket. Shotigba, have you heard? That is the reason why they found Indian hemp, because you allowed them to search you. They put hand inside in bag. How they no go find Indian hemp? My people, these demons don't start again. They have started again. Oh, it be like say we need to start protest all over. Just like that. They put in their hair for person bag. Now they don't accuse the guy, say now him put this one. Now them do it by themselves. Nothing what you want tell me. Now them do it by themselves with their own hand. If they want to search you, be sharp. Anywhere police want to search you, because what did I say? Be sharp. And even they surprise see this thing even happen for Lagos. If they say for Lagos, you see the door like this. You never know what they happen. No, you know they see. I don't see sometimes mistakes will happen, but I beg, this matter we don't hear am too much. So at this level, I know even the spaces some people go still there. You understand? Now this kind of mission, Nigeria police go sabi flex muscle. They show themselves. Una always they channel una energy to the wrong place. All this one what they do now, they no go use and go do better thing. Now when they see people where they feel show power over, shine una eye. Now you see the way they shine my own. Shine it, and not in a high level action. I not to say make you fight police. What I mean is shine your eye. If they tell you, let me search you. See, even if you they drive your car, police tell you, open your boot. Bros, get down by yourself and open your boot. Hey, it go shock you. You go sit down inside that car. They don't put human being head for your boots. You know go know. Anything is possible in this Nigeria. Oh, they never see. Una never know the cases where they happen now. Una never know. All these police people now, una live Ikeja on that bridge. No, we get places where if they find people where they smoke, all those area boys, all those smokers, these police people, they know their joints. So they left all those places where they go find people where they smoke. They go, they attack person where they go walk. For una to see. Meaning say police people, they smoke too. Yes. Who they supply them? Okay, the Indian help now where they put for this boy back, who give police? Question. I just ask. They know what they do. They know where they get their things from. They know how they do their runs. So when I no go tell me say police people know they no, just imagine. you dey arrest people wey dey deal with drugs. You yourself, you dey go do runs for drugs. My people, we need to start protest again. Because e be like say the first one wey we do, e no move mountains. This one we need to, in fact, we need to shake the world. Which kind level of embarrassment come be this one? And like this now, this guy no go work like this as soon as see am. Yes now, they go delay una no know police people. They go delay am. I just dey pray say no go lose him job. And I pray say any explanation wey give him boss, they go just wow, problem just too much for this country. Problem. Anyhow, my people, how for do? I don't know how we fit even solve this matter, because now they look for where we go solve am, but it is well. Now I bring and call aside. Anything where you guys talk now concerning this one, if you help person, so Biko, drop out for that comment section. And bros, Mr. You didn't carry in there, you didn't do this one, you're going to work. I'll say you don't learn. Anyhow, I believe say you don't learn. Next time, you go there sharper than the sharpest. Very, very important. My people, I better share this video. Very, very important. Don't forget to click on that subscription button so that you no go miss anything we I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.